Wahala for who never do NYSC. NYSC Director General, whether they call him Shuaibu Ibrahim, don't bring up new law. Talk say Corps members now they go as national defense people. Say in case any war come outside now coppers now go face this thing. Because of say waiting, they don't train them well. So they don't get fit and they ready to go do this kind of thing. Oga, I don't understand though. Ordinary training I be morning drill what people go for. Now you confuse say they don't dey set to go stand as soldiers. People the kind people will go even cry for this kind of matter and no say go pain them. But this man address this issue for where some lawmakers they complain say may they scrap NYSC. And if they talk and say they not all of us know say this NYSC na compulsory thing for Nigeria. In fact, some people the only reason why they make them they go school now because of say waiting they won't wear their khaki. Where them go stand do their corporation this thing now waiting make the one even go do this NYSC. And some people say their parents that they see them as achievement for their pikin to just wear that thing. So this one when now they think say now one scrap them, it no make sense. So but it be like this where they don't talk say now coppers now they go reserve them, I mean I reverse them. So they go there one side in case any war won't come happen now. Now our coppers now go. Now some people they complain say on top of how much they pay us. Say because of the 33,000 be how much they pay us. Now make now one confuse say more they go war. Now coppers say they don't yari, they don't complain say I beg go make they dey their lane. If that because of the money they go even return. They go return it back to the government because they don't want to go risk their life because of this thing. I want to turn Corps members to COP members. I mean, I want to turn them to cops. What will happen? Person no go fit serve in peace again every day. And I go just they bring new stories. You know even thing. I just start saying and I want to change Nigeria name to another thing. Now again, now Corps members wahala and I don't carry for head. Why I know they face what thing they really happen for the country, making I leave Corps members and the nation as it be. First tackle waiting they happen, the whole bandit and everything. Before now when they focus on say where Corps members go join army. And now the man talk say if you now see ladies, like ladies will go this training, you go know say they fit. Because of say waiting, they sabi play the drum, they sabi say na matter of down. Everybody sabi play. If you give small pikin self stick now, it go drum for you. So which one come be now because of that reason. Now make you want me to go join military this thing. Say I feel say the best thing now. People will get interest for this kind of matter. Make them come outside. Make you pick them. So, okay, you get interest. Then you go join this military training. Don't be for people where we say ordinary money, leg don't depend them. To work even reach Mami market self now war for them. You can't decide say na the new law be this one. This one never make sense. So I just see and say, bless the man just won't even talk for talking sake. As he be, now here I go end this matter. Anything way in a few, making a write down for the comment section. Then make not don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.